The safety of journalists and news media organizations in West Africa is increasingly under threat. They are often attacked for critical reporting that raises concerns about governance, corruption, environmental degradation, and human rights abuses. Laws with vague provisions are often weaponized against journalists through arbitrary or selective enforcement to silence, intimidate, or penalize those who speak truth to power. Journalists and media outlets may self censor by avoiding sensitive topics in order to reduce the risk of legal repercussions. In an effort to push back against the tide of legal harassment, the Media Foundation for West Africa, with funding support from the German Embassy in Accra, organized a 2-day training workshop to enhance the capacity of the media to navigate around legal traps while doing their work. The workshops brought together media, communication, and legal experts like Professor Kwame Kakari, Samson Ladi Ayenini, and Zakaria Tanko Musa, who schooled the beneficiary journalists on how to navigate media and defamation laws. Day 1 of the workshop, led by lawyer Tanko, focused on the concept of defamation and the laws that revolve around it. Day 2 focused on lived experiences, case studies, and in-depth analysis of defamation cases. Media and communication expert Professor Kwame Kakari shared key insights on how issues of defamation have threatened press freedom and the capacity to hold duty bearers accountable. This initiative, funded by the German Embassy, is part of the Media Foundation's effort to empower the media to avoid defamation suit and advance press freedom in Ghana.